And now they are rushing towards you. There is Knight of Swords again. Knight of Swords and Knight of Swords. They're rushing towards you. Clarify me, Knight of Swords. Who is coming towards Aquarius? Clarify, Knight of Swords. Clarify me, Knight of Swords. Okay, that's why I want to see more. Okay. Bottom of the deck, I'm having Five of Pentacles, King of Wands. You left this person, King of Wands. You left this karmic relationship, okay, behind. This was the karmic one which you left in the past. Okay. Five of Pentacles. You left this person or situation, condition behind. You did not accept the cup from them. Four of Cups is here and Five of Pentacles he is here from this King of Wands. Here it is. Who is rushing towards you? Is your divine counterpart. The King of King of Swords and Queen of Swords is here. So this is your King of Swords, Page of Pentacle, Moon and Five of Cup. There is a secret which is hidden from you. And what's the secret which is hidden from you, Aquarius? That they are very sad, remorse, guilt on those things which has already happened in the past. This person also requires healing. Okay. They are more focusing on that, but they are coming towards you. They are rushing towards you. They are trying to give you beautiful things, but they are someone which are more focusing on those things which has already fallen apart, on spilled milk, on those things which has already happened. That's the secret which is hidden from you. But this is your soulmate, that they are coming towards you. They are rushing towards you. If you already met with this person, try to figure out that they are more focusing on those things which has already happened in the past. Okay. Clarify me, Four of Wands, Emperor. Clarify me, Four of Wands, Queen of Pentacle, clarify me, bottom of the deck I'm having Four of Wands. Okay, this is your soulmate, Aquarius. The Four of Wands is being clarified by Emperor, Queen of Pentacle, Knight of Pentacle and Three of Pentacle. Maybe this person is someone who is a fatherly figure, authoritative figure. They can be someone who is financially stable and grounded, who knows how to manage his finances. They're coming at a very slow pace. Maybe right now some of you cannot be able to see, because right now you are manifesting. When you are manifesting in manifesting mode, you were doing your manifestation, you were unable to see them because they were coming in at a very slow pace. Okay, you were thinking that I'm doing my manifestation but my soulmate is not coming, but that's not right. They are coming. And there is Three of Pentacles here. They're coming with yours, with all love. Can you see here? The sun is here. They're coming. Four of Wands. Okay. Clarify me, Seven of Cups. Clarify me why there is Seven of Cups. Clarify Seven of Cups. Two of Cups, Empress and Seven of Cups again. Nine of Pentacles. You were giving them you were expecting them to give Two of Cups, Aquarius. You were you were trying to give them all happiness. Okay, you were someone who is very motherly loving figure, but they were keeping their options open. They were they were looking for other options other than you. But now you are decided that leave it. I don't want someone who is exploring other options other than me, who is not loyal to me, who is not committed to me. And you left them. Again, the Seven of Cups is here. You left that situation. You put an end, not left them, because there was Five of Pentacles too, so I can say that you left them, but you put an end to that situation, to that person, and you enjoying your singlehood. Nine of Pentacles is here again. You're someone who is very motherly, caring figure. Don't worry, Aquarius, here it is. Your match, Emperor and Empress, both has come in your reading. So you were trying so hard in that relationship. You want to offer beautiful things to this person. Here it is, the Two of Cups. You want to give them, see, Six of Swords, Six of Pentacles. See, you were trying to give them equal amount of give and take. Two of Cups, beautiful things, but what they were giving you? Five of Swords. They were giving you conflicts, drama, fighting, arguments. A lot of fighting was there in that relationship. You were trying to give something very beautiful to them. Okay, clarify me, Death card. What is ending? Bottom of the deck, I'm having Ten of Wands again. All the things which were there here, also Ten of Wands is here. Ten of Wands and the Ten of Wands. Ten of Wands. Okay. The Devil and the Three of Cups. There was third party situation involved in your relationship. There was something which was not good at all for you. There was toxicity which was attached to here. That is going to end. The Devil is going to end in your life. The Devil energy is going to end in your life, Aquarius. There are two Death cards which is telling me that the Devil energy is going to end. The toxicity in your life, the third party situation in your life is going to end. There was something which was not good for you, but that is going to end here now. Okay. You're carrying lots of burden and you're releasing them. Clarify me, Page of Swords. Clarify me, Page of Swords. Seven of Pentacles, Seven of Swords. You were putting plants, okay, you were keeping seeds in the soil, okay, you were basically nurturing the relationship, and they were giving you lots of lies, cheating, manipulation. Can you see Seven of Swords is here, and I am also having Seven of Pentacles here after the Page of Swords. You were nurturing the relationship here. You were putting all the efforts, all the things which was necessary for the relationship, but in return they were keeping an eye on you. There were lies, cheating, manipulation going on with you. There were lots of cheating, manipulation which was happening for you. There was no balance in a relationship. Two of Pentacles is there at the bottom of the deck. See, their star is here. Then there is Hierophant. Either you were committed to this person for a long period of time, or you were married to this person. You were trying so hard to bring a balance in a relationship, but how a balance can be restored? That's why the Devil has come here. Because they were playing with you, baby. I'm getting the mind games. Mind games was happening with you. Mind games were going on with you. Lies, cheating, manipulation, mind games, obsession, controlling, narcissist. This was the behavior from that side. That's why this page of swords has come. They were keeping in tabs on you. They were trying to control you. They would want to know that what my Aquarius are doing and all. And you were nurturing the relationship. Can you see how this man has put all the seeds in the soil and now the plant has grown? So you were nurturing the relationship, but they were not giving that energy to the relationship. Okay. Clarify me Three of Wands. Clarify me Three of Wands. See again, Page of Swords is here. Okay. You come towards the calmer waters, Aquarius. Do not worry at all. Again, it is there. Ace of Pentacles, Six of Swords, Eight of Swords, and Page of Cups. Some kind of small message, some small thing is coming towards you. You are feeling restricted, stuck in some situation or in some energy, but do not worry. You come towards the calmer waters. You are coming towards the calmer waters. Some kind of stable, committed offer is coming towards you. Here it is. Ace of Pentacle is coming here. Clarify me Nine of Pentacles. See again, Eight of Pentacle, Temperance, King of Pentacle, and the Ten of Wands. You're putting lots of efforts, a lot of hard works. You have done a lot of things for this person. You are keeping your temperance, and because of this person, you're carrying lots of burden. But now you have decided that that's enough, and now I'm not going to stay committed to this person. Rather than I am going to enjoy my singlehood. I'm happy, I'm abundant in my own way. That's why you have taken a decision to be alone. You not alone, single. Okay, that's the right word. You have taken a decision to be single. Alone is coming again. The alone was coming because with this person also you felt very alone. With this being in a relationship, after being in a relationship, after being committed to this relationship, after putting lots of hard work in a relationship, after putting lots of patience, you were feeling very alone with this person, Aquarius. You are feeling very alone, and here I can, this is you, okay? This King of Pentacle is you. And did you remember that I told you this Emperor, Queen of Pentacle, Three of Pentacle, and Knight of Pentacle? This is your divine counterpart, and they are Queen of Pentacle, okay? And this is you, King of Pentacle. King and Queen, again both. Your divine counterpart is coming in January, Aquarius, because you're keeping your patience, your temperance. Can you see here? You were carrying lots of burden on your shoulders because of this past person which you were committed for a long period of time. In that relationship, you have done lots of things for that relationship. You put in lot of energy, lot of things in that relationship, lot of love. I can say that. Queen of Pentacle, King of Pentacle is here. Okay. See, they broke your heart. The Three of Swords is here. I just cut my deck and I got this. Three of Swords. They broke your heart many times. There was a third party situation involved in your relationship. Third party situation can be anything. That can be a romantic partner, or friends, family, job, hobby. That can be anything, okay? But they broke your heart, okay? Can you see this girl, how this girl is screaming? That's why I get here Four of Wands too. and after breaking your heart, you are resting and rejuvenating your heart. You put the stitches on your heart and you are healing from that trauma. See, bottom of the deck again, I'm having High Priestess. You were using your intuitions in that relationship, and your intuition was saying that this is not my match. This is not someone who is my divine counterpart. Your intuition was guiding you, and they were telling you right. Okay, they were telling you right. And your intuition give you clarity. Ace of Swords has, again, I cut that deck and see that your intuition give you clarity, that you have to love this person and you have to manifest your divine counterpart, and that's what you are doing it and you're receiving it. So that was your clarification for the reading. Let's add, see, the Fool is here. Let's see what is the advice for the Aquarius for January 2021. Please help me, divine universe, to give the advice. What is the advice from the divine? Let's see what is the advice from the divine, from the universe. Give me the advice. 10 of Cups. What is the advice for Aquarius January 2021? Ten of Cups, Sun, Six of Cup, again, and Five of Wands. Let me see more. New beginning is coming for you. There is Six of Cup again. Communication is coming towards you. Bottom of the deck, I'm having Empress. Okay, what is the advice for Aquarius? Queen of Pentacles. Okay, so Aquarius, beautiful things are coming for you. That's the message from the divine, from the universe. 10 of Cups, the Sun, and the Six of Cups. There is someone from your past which is coming for you, which is going to give you the Sun. Again, the Sun has come for you, which was a clarification of Six of Cups too. So someone from the past is coming for you, Aquarius, here. Someone from the past is trying to come in your life. You both know each other. This is your soulmate. They are going to give you 10 of Cups, happily ever after. Okay. You are rising as an Empress. Okay, you're rising as an Empress. There were some conflicts. There is some fighting drama around you. But do not worry. Communication is coming towards you. And here it is, Queen of Pentacles again is there. Maybe with this past person, they can be little bit fighting can be happen, because here they are not in a healed way. Okay, I can say that they are not healed properly. They are also very sad, remorse on the things which has happened in their life. Okay, because this is your soulmate, your twin flame, your mirror self. So these are the things which they will also face. Okay, so they are also not healed completely. They are also requiring some kind of healing. They are more focusing on those things which has already passed. That's the secret which is hidden from you. So maybe there can be a conflict around with this person, but do not worry. They are going to give you beautiful things, Aquarius. They're giving you beautiful things. See? Bottom of the deck, I'm having 10 of Pentacles and Ace of Swords. Beautiful. They will give you clarity. They're giving you clarity. They're giving you 10 of Pentacles. 5 of Swords, 9 of Cups, and the Death card. Whatever conflicts was there in the past, that is going to end. Again, the Death card has come here. Okay, so that was your reading for January 2020. I hope I help you out in some manner. And let's summarize your reading. There are 3 6 of cups. Someone from your past is coming back. This is your soulmate. This is your life partner, soulmate. Okay, because I'm having Emperor and the Empress from both decks. Okay, Emperor and the Empress. Here I'm having, where is your Empress? Here it is. Okay, Emperor and the Empress. The new energy, the new one is the new love. Okay, is your soulmate. Okay, let me adjust myself. Okay, so there is your divine counterpart. Whatever past things was there, that is going to end. They're coming towards you to give you the sun, the happiest card in the tarot deck, and they're giving you beautiful things in life, Aquarius. They want to give you 10 of Pentacles, 10 of Cups. I'm having 10 of Cups here too. Where is 10 of Cups? Yeah, here. 10 of Pentacles and 10 of Pentacles. 2 times I'm having 10 of Pentacles. They want abundance of everything with you. Okay, they want to spend their life with you, I can say that. They will give you some kind of clarity. They will give you commitment. They will give you some kind of stable, solid offer in your relationship. You will get your clarity. And this is your match. There is a match here, I can say that, because here I'm having again from both decks, I'm having King of Pentacle and Queen of Pentacles. You both are maybe financially stable, grounded, stable. You both know how to manage finances. This is the third pair which I'm having. That's why the Emperor and Empress came, because all the pair I'm having here right now for you. The Queen of Swords and the King of Swords. They're rushing towards you. They're coming towards you, Aquarius. Some kind of communication is coming for you. You're coming towards the calmer waters. They are the love of your life. They are the love of your life. The lovers is here. In the past, there were things which was not there good. Okay, because here I'm having 7 of Swords, 5 of Swords, 7 of Swords and Page of Swords. But that situation is going to end. Okay, that situation is going to end. The Death card is here. So do not worry at all. And I'm having Death card 2 times. So Death card is here. So that situation, that relationship, that condition is going to end. There was something around you which was not good for you. That was toxic. Whatever the past person was there, they put you in a third party situation. They broke your heart here. 3 of Swords is here. But that situation is going to end. Do not worry at all. Because you are more focusing on Aquarius manifestation. You are manifesting your soulmate. When you are manifesting your soulmate, divine is blessing you. So in the new year, in the January, you're going to meet your soulmate, your life partner's soulmate, not the karmic soulmate. Okay. So that was your extended love reading for January 2021. If you like my video, please like, share and subscribe to the channel, and let me know in the comment section if you want to tell me anything about it. Take care of yourself, Aquarius, and see you soon. Hello my lovely Aquarius, how are you all? And I hope you are doing wonderful, amazing wherever you are. A very happy new year in advance, my lovely Aquarius, to all my Aquarius all over the world. This is your bonus love reading for January 2021. This is the reading for those who is having a sun. You can check your sunshine, moonshine and Venus sign. Okay, I hope it resonates with you. But if it doesn't resonate with you, you can skip it out, Aquarius, and take whatever is resonating according to your situation, according to your condition. If you like my video, please like, share and subscribe to the channel, and let me know in the comment section if you want to tell me anything. Thank you so much for liking, sharing and subscribing to my channel, for giving me lots of love, for giving me lots of messages, for sharing your experiences, and I'm glad that I help you out in some manner. So let's see what are the messages, what are the energies which are coming for you in January 2021. Please help me out to deliver the messages which are necessary for my lovely Aquarius. Okay, so there is slowing down. Slow and steady wins the race, Aquarius. Okay, so you need to keep your patience. That's what it is. And here I'm having traveling and I'm having new vision. Beautiful things I'm having for you in January. Some of you Aquarius are going to travel somewhere. Okay, and if you're not traveling, then there is a new chapter, a new journey in your life which is going to start. A new vision is coming for you, Aquarius. Okay, and slow and steady wins the race. Can you see how colorful rainbow is there? And the turtle is coming slowly, but they're getting the colorful rainbow here. So you're getting your rainbow, Aquarius. You're getting your sun is here. There is sun, there is traveling here, and I'm having here the new vision. So getting your new vision, you just need to let go. If you have not let go, so let go of those things which are not good for you, Aquarius. Let go of the past things, past burdens. Okay, because something very beautiful is coming for you. You're getting your new vision. You're getting beautiful things. Anything else? Transformation is taking place. Okay, there is possibilities and there is friendliness here. Transformation is taking place, Aquarius. Friendliness is a card where you and your soulmate are attached to one another. Can you see there are two trees with different roots, but they're attached here. From the upside you are attached. And bottom of the deck I'm having transformation, projections, and inner child, the outsider. You and your soulmate has to heal your inner child. You are projecting, you are mirroring each other, and you both are getting transformed. Transformation is taking place for you, Aquarius. Any other message? You have to be more ordinary, you have to be more normal, you have to enjoy the ordinariness of the life. You have to take a leap of faith. There is here the compromise card is here. Then there is patience and silence. Silence your mind thoughts, Aquarius, and keep your patience. That's why here the slowing down is here. So you need to keep your patience. You need to keep your temperance and silence your mind thoughts, because some of you Aquarius are thinking like you are compromising in your life, but that's not true. You're not compromising, Aquarius. Okay, something very beautiful is coming for you. Okay, Aquarius, just you have to go with the flow. See again, sorrow, schizophrenia, and the mind. That's why here I'm having the silence and the patience. You are more overthinking. That's the word I'm getting. You are more up in your head, Aquarius. Do not overthink at all. Do not more focus on those things which has been already passed here in the past. Just go with the flow. Just go with the flow. You need to go with the flow. Any other message? Beautiful. Again, the creativity and the lovers. Use your creativity. Do not cling to the past. Bottom of the deck I'm having clinging to the past. Some of your Aquarius are still clinging to the past. Okay, do not cling to the past, because here I'm having the lovers here. Use your creativities. Your lover is here. Your twin flame, your soulmate is here. There is some kind of unexpected changes which are coming towards you. Okay, the thunderbolt, the source, and the receptivity. You have to be more open. You are the source of your life. Be more open to receive, Aquarius, because unexpected changes are coming towards you. See, Bottom of the deck, I'm having change, past lives, and we are the world. You both have spent many past lives together, you and your soulmate, your twin flame. And the change is coming for you. There is a change which is coming for you. There is a new vision which is coming for you. Thank you so much for giving the beautiful messages to my lovely Aquarius. Let's see what are the messages from Fortune Oracle deck. Again, plane, death, and the key. I'm not going to take it, but I'm going to show you for sure. Again, the plane, death, and the key. You have a solution, Aquarius. Something is ending in your life so that new things can start. Transformation is taking place in your life. And there is a journey which is indicated. Some of you Aquarius are going to travel in the month of January, or a new chapter of your life is going to start in January. So let's see. What are the messages for my lovely Aquarius? Dragonfly and death card. Bottom of the deck, I'm having star. Okay, let me see more. What are the messages? There is judgment which is made by the divine. There are celebrations which are coming. You can have a look on your main reading too. There was a celebration. There was a Three of Cups energy was the first card for you for the January 2021. There are celebrations which are coming for you, Aquarius, and some kind of karmic cycle you are completing. There is a world card here. So you're completing some kind of cycle in your life. You're ending up, you're wrapping up your cycles. The judgment is taking place in your life. Beautiful. And bottom of the deck, I'm having sun, star, and the marriage. Sun, star, and the marriage. That's why there is celebration. You're going to receive your marriage proposal from someone. There are hard times which are over, Aquarius. You are attracting your emotional fulfillment and your unconditional love. Beautiful things are coming for you. Thank you so much for giving the messages to my lovely Aquarius. Let's see what are the messages from Energy Oracle deck. See, caring connection. One minute. Sorry, I need to adjust myself. Okay. Wow. Your soulmate is coming for sure in January, Aquarius. You're going to meet. Yes, you will walk away from the karmics, from the toxic relationships. And if you have still not walked away, if you are still dealing with toxic relationships, you have to walk away from them, because man holding a heart, there is someone who is your soulmate, your divine counterpart, who is trying to give you their heart. Okay, they are holding their heart to give you. What are the messages for my lovely Aquarius? Please help me out. What are the messages? See. A caring connection. Okay, a caring connection is coming for you in January. Financial constraints, do not worry at all. Okay, let me see more. Walking away. See, again the walking away has come. That's why, because while shuffling I was seeing these messages. Do not worry, Aquarius. You are walking away from someone which was toxic in your life. Maybe you're thinking that there are financial constraints in your life, but do not worry at all. There is a caring connection which is coming for you. Wow. Wow. Action, Angel of Balance, Yin and Yang. Bottom of the deck, I'm having 10 of Cups. See, 10 of Cups, happy family. yin and yang, your twin flame, your soulmate, your divine counterpart is coming towards you. Their actions are being taken. The angel of balance is coming towards you to give you, because once you walk away from your karmic soulmates, the universe is going to bless you with your twin flame, and you are walking away, because you are walking away from the toxic things, because you learned your lessons. Now the universe is blessing you. They are blessing you with the yin and yang. Clarify me financial constraints. Do not worry. If you are having any financial problem right now, Aquarius, do not worry. You need to keep your strength with you, because new beginnings are coming towards you. Can you see here, woman holding a heart? This is your divine counterpart. There is someone around you who wants to give you heart. A woman holding a heart. The sun card is here. You need to keep your strength with you. Any other message? Yeah. Because of in the past there was broken heart. Because of that you're feeling anxiety. 1212 was the recording reading time. Because of the broken heart you're feeling anxiety. But you are doing your healing and all. Let's see. The sixth chakra is getting activated. Again, this message has come for you, Aquarius. Your third eye is getting open up. 1, 2, 3, 4 was the recording reading time. Okay. In the past, your heart was broken, Aquarius. But now the angel of balance is coming for you to give you, to bless you, your twin flame, your soul mate. Your third eye is getting open. Archangel, sixth chakra, Archangel Metatron. Okay. Your sixth chakra, your third eye is getting open. Wow. The fourth chakra, Archangel Raphael. Heart chakra is getting open. Your heart will be healed, okay? Your heart will be healed. Any other message? See, that's why I told you. Door to value, door to romance is opening up for you. Is it clear for you? Yes. Door to romance, door to value. Whatever financial constraints, maybe right now some of you Aquarius are having financial problem in your life, but do not worry, you need to keep your strength, because door to value is opening up in your life in January 2021. Beautiful things are coming for you. You just need to keep your strength. Okay. Any other message? Some of you are feeling like you are all tied up. You cannot move in a forward direction. You're feeling stuck. You want to move, but you cannot move. You're feeling like stuck in a energy. But do not worry. You're completing a cycle, Aquarius. The world card is here. The world card is here. You're completing a cycle here. Do not worry at all. Ending of a cycle is here, is happening here. That's why you are feeling like you're feeling restricted, stuck. You can't move. Okay. The thinking. I was looking the clarification of broken heart, but it's okay. There is a thinking man, Aquarius, around you. There is a thinking man around you. Let me take back, because I was looking at the broken heart and I was thinking that let's see the clarification here, and I got thinking man. Okay. Clarify me broken heart. Clarify me broken heart. Men holding a coin, blossoming abundance. There are money opportunities which are coming for you, Aquarius, okay? And there is abundance which is coming for you. Do not worry, you will be healed. There are money offers which are coming for you. Maybe there will be a person around you who will give you a money offer, okay? What you want else, Aquarius? This is the first reading in which I'm having door to value, door to spirit, and door to romance. Three doors are opening for you, Aquarius. happy family just fallen out. You will be very happy, Aquarius, because blossoming abundance is here. 10 of Cups energy. Beautiful reading for you. I love your reading for January. Beautiful things are coming for you. Thank you so much, Energy Oracle deck, for giving the messages. Let me see what are the messages from this deck. These are the sweet, cute little one, and I love this deck. I love the deck. Let's see what are the messages for my lovely Aquarius. What are the messages? Okay. What are the messages? Okay. See, that's why I told you. Okay. So Aquarius, you are being trapped in your own fear, in your own jail of fear, of stress, of anxiety, of things which has already fallen in the past, okay, which has already happened in the past. Imprisonment, you are already caught up in fear. And you have to get out of that zone, because there is a mature man and there is a message here. There is a message which is coming from someone who is a mature man. This person can be an old man, okay, maybe they are very elder than you, okay, they are very elder than you. There is an age gap between you and them, but there is a message which is coming for you. There is a message which is coming for you, okay. And here I'm having bad health, concern, privileged lady, okay. So from these cards I can see here is maybe in your, because you are trapped in fear, Aquarius, you are very much concerned. Maybe some of you can be feeling like you are not healthy right now. You are feeling very like there is a bad health here, and because you are very much concerned about yourself, about your future, about your life. But do not worry, you are a privileged lady, Aquarius. You are a privileged lady. Can you see how you are? See yourself. You are a privileged lady. Why I'm saying that? Because the change is coming for you. There is a change which is coming for you. There is an unexpected income which is coming for you. Maybe you are concerned about your financial things, but do not worry. See, unexpected income is coming for you. And there is a marriage which is coming for you. The marriage card has come. Change is coming in your life, Aquarius. Marriage and unexpected income is coming for you. Beautiful. That's the change which is coming in your life. Whatever concerns you are having, see, a new relationship is having. You are having a new relationship. Great fortune is indicated for you. Bottom of the deck, I'm having great fortune. Wow. There is a pathway which is uplifted for you. This pathway is coming again and again. You are ascended towards you are on your right track. You are on your right path, Aquarius. You are starting a new journey in your life. Some of you, Aquarius, again the journey is here. So you're going to start a new chapter of your life, Aquarius. A new love is coming for you, with whom you are going to get married. Okay, there is a marriage card here. So some of you, Aquarius, you're going to get married to this person, and this is a new love here. You have to be more spend some more time with this new person. Okay, you have to spend some more time with this new person. Your journey is indicated. Your journey is going to start. There is a great fortune which is coming for you. That's why I told you that you are a privileged lady. Do not worry at all. The luck is on your side. The great fortune is here. The privileged lady is here. Beautiful things are coming for you. There is a message which is coming for you. Thank you so much. for giving the beautiful messages to my lovely Aquarius. So that was the messages for you for January 2021. I hope I help you out in some manner. If you like my video, please like, share and subscribe to the channel, and let me know in the comment section if you want to tell me anything, Aquarius. A very, very happy new year in advance. Stay safe, okay? Take care, I was going to say. Stay safe at home, Aquarius, and take care of yourself. See you soon.